14.00000. I was like, he's getting his helmet. I was like, he's getting his helmet taken away.
The only reason why I don't know is
If I would have known they're only doing 2 runs, I wouldn't have made you buy the helmet. Because then you could have just ran your 13.8 and gave it back because they weren't letting you do a 3rd run anyway.
I know, it's my first time.
You'll be back to on Wednesday nights.
I know, just a little bit more.
Yeah, test and tune Wednesday nights. We'll just come back.
We gotta come at least 3 more times.
Definitely coming back in October.
We gotta come for the October ratchet Friday. Take off now.
You know how those bikers are. Street outlaws.